If you have a sewer or water line that has roots or leaks in it, we are able to come in and replace your pipe without having to dig up your yard, ruin your landscaping or your patios, or damage to trees. We can eliminate all of that. At Mid Atlantic Trenchless, we specialize in trenchless pipe replacement and installation. If you've been notified by DC Water that you have a lead water service, we can help you with the process that it takes to replace that water line without having to dig up your yard. We can come out and take pictures and measurements and help you through the process. So at Mid Atlantic Trenchless, we've been replacing sewer and water lines for over 40 years. It's just in the last 10 years that we've become specialists in trenchless pipe replacement. Contact us today if you have any questions or need a free estimate. Our number is 240-508-5525, and you can reach us at midatlantictrenchless.com.